Thanks for tuning into this video. In this episode, I traveled to 6 nations of the Grand River to visit 2 sighting locations, only a few kilometers apart. So let's have a look. So we're here at 6 Nations of the Grand River near Brantford, and the sighting actually happened just right over here. I'm across the road from the 6 Nations water treatment plant, and apparently 3 workers from the plant saw a Sasquatch crossing the road just up here in the forested area. We'll go up there and have a look around. I'll get some shots. It's cold, it's raining, and it's windy, so I'm not going to do a lot of outside rooting around here, but I'll get some shots from the car. So we're at a second location now, just a few kilometers north of where the last one was. And this location is just on the road up here a bit further to the left. Pentecostal minister and his 20-year-old son saw a 7-foot-tall, light-faced Bigfoot. Now the reason I stopped here instead of maybe 700 meters over there where the marker was is because there's a power line cutaway. Just up here at the bottom of the hill is where the sighting supposedly took place, and it is a small creek running across the road. So let's check our viability checkpoints. Reasonable seclusion, medium viability. It's not an urban center where the sightings were, but it's more densely populated than a rural location. Cover, yeah, there are abundant forests, ravines, and gullies to find shelter in. And water nearby, yes. Aside from the Grand River, which is a sizable one, there's many contributory creeks in the area. Food resources, yes, there would be terrestrial animals in the forests and valleys of the area surrounding the Grand River, and aquatic life in and around the river, not to mention wild edibles around the river and crops on the surrounding farmland. Potential habitation attractants. There is a power line cut running very close to the second sighting location, and a railway only a few hundred meters from the first location. Locations are just over 20 kilometers from the Brantford Airport, but only 13 kilometers from the Hamilton International Airport. However, I didn't find any others closer. I did, however, notice that the 6 Nations area is much more forested than the surrounding land. Well, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching the video. I certainly do appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.